fedha zozote ambazo ziko kwa serikali ziangaliwe, zitumwe zote, zipambane na ugonjwa ya corona. Mambo mengine kama BBI na nini inaweza kungoja mpaka tumalize na changa ya corona. Na tunashukuru kwa sababu jana Mheshimiwa Rais alikutana na naibu wake. And we want to say the President and the Deputy should continue meeting regularly until it is no longer news. It should not be news that the President met with his Deputy. It should be a normal routine activity. Nimeona watu ambao wanatafuta watu ya kwenda no. Sisi choose the line of consensus. That is our line and we are not moving. We have said thank you, Your Excellency, for having that meeting yesterday. Continue having that meeting and lead us on the route to consensus. That is our position. There are those who are saying yes, those of us who are saying we want consensus, and there are those now who are looking for members of no. Kama mnataka no, sijui mwenyewe mwende no. Kwa sababu sisi tunataka Kenya ambayo inasonga mbele tukiwa na watu wote. That is the bottom line that we want. That Kenya moves forward as one nation, as one country, as one people. But top of it most is that we should care about our doctors. Muliona jana wabunge wakitoa machozi kwa sababu ya shida ambayo madaktari wanapitia. And it is very shameful that in this 21st century we are talking of a government that has abandoned its people. You look at social media and those who have gone through COVID are saying we are on our own. The government has abandoned us. That should not be the case.